This tutorial, we're going to focus on the layers. So I added this rectangle which has kind of cute paper clip on it, and I changed the color to like a burgundy color so it stands out. I really don't want this on here. However, I just wanted to show you how when I have this on here, it's very hard for me to select guitar lessons behind it, because even though it's see-through, it's still part of the layer and I cannot select the guitar layers behind it. And in this program, or in this application, I almost have to drag this away a little bit and select guitar lessons with my shift key, and then I can move both at the same time. So if you have a border that's on top of something else, you almost have to drag it away temporarily and then bring it back. You can also reposition it. You don't have to drag it away. There's other things you can do. For instance, move the layer. This button right here will allow you to send it to the back. So now it's behind everything. And that, because it's behind everything, I can kind of select everything in front of it, and that makes it a little bit easier. And then if I really have to have it in the front, I can select that and then bring it to the front back again later. So if you want to work behind an object, you almost have to send it to the back temporarily and bring it forward. But I don't want this border, so I'm going to delete it. I do want to show you a couple other things. So if I have this text, these two items here, guitar lessons and then my contact information, I can group them, and now they move together. I can also ungroup them when I'm done. If I need to, I can select ungroup, and now they're two separate objects again. Some other things that I love about this program is if I love this content, I never want to mess it up, I can lock them, and now I can't do anything to them. I can't move them. I can't double click on it and change the text or the color. They're locked. So then to unlock them, they don't always have to be locked, but if I'm afraid I'm going to bump, like all this other stuff moves and I can change it, but I cannot change these two items that have been locked. So if I want to unlock them, I select the two objects, or I can select them independently and look for the lock. It's locked, but I can click on the lock and now you can see it's unlocked. And once they're unlocked, I can move them again. I can change the text of them again. I can make some edits. That's another thing I can do with text. Some other things with these layers, let me go back to this. You can make them a little bit transparent if you need to have some kind of see-through content. That's what that checkerboard means. And I can align them better. So if I have these two objects selected and I use this align button, I want to make sure that they are right aligned. So if they aren't perfectly aligned, this would, I'm going to go to that alignment button and right align them. That adjusts them so that they're both right aligned perfectly. So the alignment buttons are really helpful in this tool. And you can see what they do. It shows you, like, if I want them centered, the two boxes centered, so this one's centered over this. It didn't center the content within it, it just perfectly centered this over top this box. So it measures the size of this text box and this one, and then it'll center it. I can left align them. I can align them at the top, so now they're perfectly aligned at the top, or in the middle, so this is over top this one, and at the bottom. I'm going to undo a little bit and hit my right align, and now they're right aligned back where they had them. That's a little bit, I'm working with some layers here in Vista Create.